I bought a new brown turkey fig tree and have put it in a pot. It has some dead branches. Should I cut off the dead branches of my brown turkey fig in the fall, or should I wait until spring? Do I need to bring the pot in during the winter or just wrap the pot so it stays warmer? Colette from YouTube. So several different questions there,
Yeah.
right? So what about pruning off the dead branches?
Oh, yes.
That's anytime.
Anytime you get dead branches, because you don't want it to continue down, dying whatever it is down into the plant, so you want to cut those off right away.
Right.
And I know she's got it in a container, and she probably thought it needed water, but maybe it didn't. And you know, when you get dead branches like that, it reminds me of something might be too wet for the plant.
Good point.
But you know, I don't know. But yes, you can cut those at any time.
Anytime. Anytime. Now, should she bring the pot in during the winter or leave it outside?
Well, you know, that's a good question because we don't know where she's from.
Oh, right.
But I tell you, figs are hurt and don't live when, you know, at 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
Right.
So if she's in a colder part of the country, then I would bring it inside. We even had that cold temperatures here this last week.
Yes, we did.
And if it's in a container, even if you wrapped it outside, and you know it's gonna get cold like that, then I would bring the whole thing into the garage or somewhere protected.
I would definitely do that, Joellen, that's for sure. Because we know that fig trees in this area that were outdoors were killed back.
Yes.
Right, killed back to the roots. A lot of them did resprout, of course, and came back up. But yeah, if I had it in a pot, knew we were gonna get cold temps,
I would bring it inside.
I'll bring it inside.
Yeah.
I'll bring it inside, Colette. I'll definitely do that. But yeah, prune those dead branches off anytime. Anything that's dead, dying, diseased, or crossing, you can do that anytime.
Cut it anytime.
Anytime, yeah. And bring it inside if it gets too cold. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.